Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study AP Biology. First, familiarize yourself with the College Board's official course description and exam format. This document outlines all the key topics and skills you need to master. Next, acquire a good textbook, a review book, and access to online resources like Khan Academy. Finally, develop a study plan that allocates sufficient time for each unit, ensuring you cover all content thoroughly before the exam. To master the content, break down the extensive curriculum into smaller, digestible units. Focus on understanding core concepts rather than just memorizing facts. Actively engage with the material by taking detailed notes, drawing diagrams, and creating concept maps to visualize relationships. Regularly review these notes. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing the hundreds of vocabulary terms and complex biological processes you will encounter. Consistent practice is crucial for success. After completing each unit, tackle practice questions to solidify your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps build stamina and manage your time effectively. Always review your incorrect answers thoroughly to learn from your mistakes. On exam day, ensure you are well-rested and have a nutritious breakfast to maintain focus. During the exam, read all questions carefully and manage your time effectively across both the multiple choice and free response sections. Don't dwell too long on one question. Move on and return if time permits. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. Good luck with your self-study journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.